For the video for today, we're gonna go through a $6 million plus apartment. Actually, I'm not gonna tell you the price. I will let you know the final price at the end of the video. Is between 6 to 7 million. Let me know in the comment below which one is the right price. So this apartment is in Woolloomooloo, and this is a penthouse on the top level. And there you go. Get in. And on the left, the first bathroom. Big bathroom, shower. Next one, as you know, on your left is the studio. Studio plus some storage under the staircase. There you go. And now we are into the kitchen. Just having a quick look around. The stairs, bedrooms, open space, kitchen. Now going back here. So I went for this inspection for a client who actually purchased this, and look how high is the ceiling. I should have recorded a little bit more. And let's keep going. Open space kitchen. Very nice. Living room. A lot of lights coming in. The bit of view of the city. And now we're going through bedroom number 1. There you go. Every room is getting nice natural light. Bedroom number 2. There you go. Get some light. This is the master bedroom. It's an ensuite. And this is the second bathroom of the house. Bath, toilet, shower, quite a bit of space, and built-in wardrobe. And now we are going upstairs. There you go. We're going upstairs. Let's speed up a little bit. And there you go. Alright, so upstairs we have the second kitchen. He's the builder over there taking some measurement. And there you go. And have a look at the ceiling from the top. Look how high. Beautiful. I love that. Very unique apartment. And this is the third bedroom upstairs with a bit of a light on the top. Very well designed. Every room is getting the right natural light. That's the third bedroom of the house. Shower, toilet, and what have we got here? And here we have the second kitchen upstairs. And have another look at the ceiling high and the cream on the top, the rooftop terrace with the view of the city. There you go. So that's a very unique apartment in Woolloomooloo. Very nice, great view. And to give you a final answer, this penthouse was sold for $6.4 million. We are now in December 2022. I hope you guys liked. My name is Perry. I'm a buyer's agent here in Sydney, and I'll get you inside Sydney real estate.